Hi folks, today I wanted to show you quickly a piece of software called AirServer, which is installed on all of the Podium computers here at SU. So I'm just going to give you a quick rundown and demonstrate some of the neat things that you can do with this piece of software. So the first thing you'll want to do is, when you log into a computer, look up here and see if you can see one of these types of icons, but actually the exact opposite. It's going to have the triangle at the top. If you don't see that, that means AirServer is not running. So to run AirServer, you can go to your Finder and then go to Applications, and it should be close to the top. There also may be a link on your desktop. Double click that once, launches AirServer, you're ready to roll. The next thing you need to know is, what is the name of this computer? I've named this computer my name. Typically it is the name of the Podium, so it's POD followed by a number. So you'll need to remember that, and that never changes. That will stay the same for that Podium. So now that we know those two things, we also need to make sure that we set security. We want it to set to an on-screen passcode. Alright, this is a random number that shows up on the screen that allows us to connect our iPad to the computer. If we don't put something like this on here, then anybody can connect. And this is really the best one, is the on-screen passcode. Better than the fixed password or the on-screen password. So once you have those things set, you'll go to your iPad and you'll want to go to your quick manager down at the bottom. If you just swipe up from the bottom, you'll see an option for AirPlay, and then you'll want to click and connect to the name of this device. As you can see here, I just did it on my iPad, and you'll see it here in a second. I'm entering in that code, and poof, there she be. So I got to this menu by just swiping up from the bottom and clicking on the AirPlay menu. You find the Podium that you want to connect to. As you can see, we've got a lab at Bowman that's online right now, and you just click on it and you're ready to roll. So from here now, my iPad is fully online on the computer. I'm projecting this up on the wall. This is a really neat way to be more interactive while you're teaching or giving your presentations. You can be mobile and give your presentation from the iPad while everybody's eyes are up on the front of the room and the projection. So one of the neat features that came out recently is that we now have the ability to record these presentations, so you can record what you're doing on your iPad. So if you needed to create some type of tutorial about how to get to the App Store to find a particular app, you could do that. How to get into your settings and set up an email. Alright, if you go down to mail, contacts, and calendars, you want to add an account. Let's go Google account. So very, very simple, easy way to record videos on your iPad, or with your iPad rather. So the recording is great. Some of the other things that we've got some really nice brightness and other things that we can change. You can do a little flip if that's what you want to do. You can also change the stretch. You can make it full screen. You can make it under full screen here. We can also, should be here we go, the option to stretch to fit into zoom as well. Now this works on all the Podiums that we have at SU. You can also connect multiple iPads to the Podium, so you can have multiple students or yourself and a student presenting at the same time. So anyways, that's a quick overview of AirServer and some of the things that it can do. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below, or give me a call, email me anytime. So thank you guys very much.